SS Farm. Welcome back to the SS Farm kitchen. In today's video, we're going to be making egusi soup. And this egusi soup is a non-fried egusi soup. Yes, we're not going to be frying this egusi soup. We're just going to be making it perfectly like that. And if you're looking for the fried one, I already have that one in my YouTube channel. I'm going to be putting the link in the description box of this video, so you go ahead and check that out. First thing first, you already see I already have my pot on fire with the meat in it that we're going to be using. Feel free to use any meat of your choice, and also adjust or omit any ingredients that you don't like in this recipe. You can already tell the ingredients. We have fresh rosemary, we have onions, we have pepper, we have thyme, we have fresh garlic, we have fresh ginger, we have fresh spring onions, pepper, we have thyme, fresh thyme, we have Maggi seasoning. Now that you can already tell the ingredients we have in the pot, all I'm going to do is stir together and put a lid without adding water and allow to cook. Now, as you can tell, we are done with the meat. So all I did was to remove the whole meat from the pot, and we left the meat water behind. That's the beef stock. So put the lid on it and allow it to boil because it's a bit cold now. So now I'm showing you everything we're going to be blending. That's crayfish, that's dry shrimp, that's onions, and that's green scotch bonnet pepper. So you can use red. It's because my own is not ripe. So if it is ripe, it's the same thing. That's the combo we're going to be blending together. So now we have a bowl, and we're just going to go ahead and pour in the already blended egusi. So that's the bowl of water. I'm just going to go ahead and add my water gradually. So as we stir together, I add it gradually till I get to a perfect consistency that I want. Then add your onions. Then add your salt. And stir together. So you see, it's not runny at all. It's not runny, it's just thick. It's a perfect consistency that I want. So now go ahead and open the pot. That's our perfectly mixed egusi. We're going to be adding it inside the water just like akara. Did you see that? So just add it like that, like akara. And another way you can achieve this, just in case you think this is too much for you, if you don't want to fry egusi, you can just go ahead, add water more than the way we did it, make it a little bit runny, like make it runny. Then you just go ahead and pour the whole thing inside your pot like that and stir together and make sure there is no lump. Stir it together perfectly. Then put a lid. Then when you check it again, you see that lump is there. Or you use this method, just cut it in like this, like akara. Put a lid. Boom! It's the same procedure. Cooking is not hard. Let's allow it to cook. That's our bowl. I'm going to rinse it and pour it in it later. So I'll just put it aside now. Now we are back. Did you see how our egusi is looking? So you see all those lumps? You see the egusi is already forming the lump. Did you see all that? Did you see the natural oil that the egusi releases on its own? Yeah, you see? It brought out that oil on its own, plus the beef water. You know, we're using the beef stock. So both the egusi and the beef stock brought out that beautiful, perfect oil you're seeing. We're checking it again. Boom! Look at that! Look at that gorgeousness! This thing, I can already tell that it's going to be delicious because the aroma in my kitchen, not be here. My neighbors are about to knock. Look at that. You see, my pot is not burning. That's another secret. Look for a pot that is not burning when you're about to cook. This is when you're about to cook or make your egusi soup. That will just make your life super easy. You see, no oil needed, nothing. It's just frying and forming the lump perfectly. This is a non-fried egusi soup that tastes amazing. That's the combo we blended together. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in like so. So now we're going to be adding our homemade cooked already blended red bell pepper. I think I made that video. I'm not sure if I brought it out. I'll just add it to a vlog. So that is homemade red bell pepper. It's already cooked and blended. Now I'm going to be adding oil. If you don't like oil at all, you can omit it. And if you don't like red bell pepper too, you can omit it. Feel free to omit or adjust your ingredients. So now that we are done adding the red bell pepper and the combo we blended, we're just going to put a lid and allow to cook. So we're back again. Let's check it. Ooh, look at that gorgeousness. It's looking beautiful. So we're going to be adding every other ingredient that is needed. That's our Maggi seasoning, dried shrimps, fish, fresh fish, okporoko, and dry fish. Okporoko is stock fish. I'm just eyeballing Goya inside. Just a little bit of Goya. You can also omit it if you don't like it, but it tastes amazing. It's all purpose. You can use it to cook whatever you like. Now I just rinsed the bowl that I kept aside and added the water. Put the lid on it. Allow everything to boil. Back again. Boom. That is how it's looking. And my kitchen smells so amazing. Just gently give it a stir, guys. You don't want your fish to scatter, but this fish has no much bone. I don't mind if it is scatter. We'll still see it inside. You saw the dry fish that I used. I deboned it. Even though dry shrimp, I did not use the head because it's the head that has bone. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and add more water. It depends on you. If you like your egusi runny, you add more water. If you like it thick, you add water just the way you like. So I just finished adding my own water like that. Now it's time for us to introduce our meat. Pour it in like so, then give it a stir and put your lid. Now we're back again. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. I feel like eating right now. Look at that momo. Chai, they call my name. Now, I'm using both frozen and fresh spinach. So I just added it like that. Use any one you like. You can see my spinach is not cut. So if you want your own cut, go ahead and cut it. So I'm just going to give it a stir. At this juncture, the video is over, guys. The egusi soup is ready. Hey, come and eat, SS Fam. Come and eat. Chai, my husband can testify. Go ahead, give the recipe a try and leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for always watching SS Fam. God bless you all. Peace. We out. And we're gonna be eating before the peace we out, we're gonna be eating this with our unripe plantain flour.
Rolling loyalty.